I am an automotive genius.
No, he's not. He's just got eyes and he pays for them. Okay, so we are back here with the E30.
We are.
Anyway, we are back here with the E30. So we thought we'd give you guys another update as to what's been going on.
Yes.
And quite a bit has been done. Some exciting things. So
we promise we haven't shot this before.
no, we haven't.
No.
And we've of course he just became an automotive genius and he figured out a problem. So we might be able to start it.
Well, that's if we can figure out how to get. We'll tell you what the issue is just now.
If we can't start it, we can definitely crank
Tell
it.
you what the problem is. Yes.
And that, but we can crank it.
Yes.
That sounds like a fuel pump.
Battery's not connected, though.
Oh yeah.
First, connect the battery.
It's always battery stories with things.
Step 1, connect the battery, guys. As y'all are ready to eat me for this. I just started shouting. Battery on.
First,
Putting the battery on. Make sure ignition is off.
just click it first, just to see if it's in gear.
I don't think it's in gear.
Yeah, just in case.
Ooh, that was a crank.
Now it's making sounds.
Now should I give it? Oh, I'm the first one to start Ron's car. This is crazy.
Just ring it.
Oh. No,
I don't think we charged this one. We charged the other one.
fish the other one.
No, it went with the truck. That's the truck.
Just ring it. Try again.
One more. Nah, the battery's kissed.
Yes.
So Dictator's not responding. Can't even operate. What's been done?
Bumpers.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Bumpers
They're
are-
over there. So the bumpers have been shortened
And color matched.
and color
painted.
matched. Still a bit wet, so we're not going to touch it. But remember, we explained what we're going to do in the other video.
Look at
You'll
that.
see
Came out so clean.
That's
So-
already cleaned up.
This was actually cut right across
Yeah.
to fit the rear because this, I think we spoke about it, the steel bumper is slightly longer than the plastic bumper.
Yeah.
No, shorter. So we have
No.
to, yeah, the steel bumper is shorter.
Oh, this is plastic, yes.
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 So yeah, the bumper was actually cut right across so it can fit because this is chrome bumper.
Yeah.
And yeah, like look at that, seamless, nothing there. So this obviously doesn't matter because the beading goes over and covers it, but where it shows, it's like nothing ever happened.
Yeah. Pretty sick.
It is.
Windows are in.
Windows, front,
Door latches are in.
check this out.
Listen. Listen.
You do it. Yes.
Yes.
Now you can close it too. Beadings,
Beadings in.
those beadings are
Beadings are in.
in. Rubbers.
No, but that was already in. Listen to this. Yes.
Look at that.
It's like a modern car. You
nice.
don't even hear the thing click open.
Kidding,
Back window still needs to go in properly. This was moving yesterday. It stopped again, but
The good news
latch
is
in
it
here.
does latch, it
Yes.
does lock,
And the thingy works.
it all works.
That's all bumper stuff. The car is already painted. More beadings. More beadings.
Is it locked maybe?
Maybe this one don't work.
I think maybe it's locked.
I don't think so.
I guess it wasn't.
But the latch is here too.
We'll get to that one.
See, the latch is here too.
The rubbers are being put in, so this window can go in. There we go.
This one has more beading than the other side.
Yes.
It also has this one. Right? Oh, and the window thingy is in as well.
Got that.
In the front, I can't remember what was the last thing that we did.
We were busy wiring up the Dictator.
Yes, so you'll see,
Ignition.
we spoke about the ignition barrel and everything.
So here, last time we were here, we had stripped all of this. So this is all back in, all good, all running lacquer.
Working on the right keys as well.
So we plugged in the Dictator and we weren't getting a signal.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll show
There's
you
a relay
that.
box and all of that stuff that we're busy with. That's now working. So we figured out the relay box, but the Dictator's still not getting a signal. And when I had my stroke of absolute automotive, just beauty. I am an automotive genius. If you look down here, there's a bolt. There's a bolt.
Oh, sorry, I lost interest. Let's get back to it.
If you look down here, there's a wire that's missing, right? So I think this
I'm not
wire.
missing it today.
Well, yes, but it's short for some reason. I don't know if it's snagged out. I don't know why it's so short. Should it be going somewhere in the first place?
There's no pins in there that I can see that need a wire.
Yeah, but why would a wire just be cut and left like that?
Okay, so maybe Jose didn't have a stroke of
I
automotive
definitely had
genius.
a
Maybe he
stroke
just
of
had an
automotive genius.
observation skill that a wire is shorter than what it should be.
No, or a wire's been cut.
Okay.
Because this looks like look, from the motor, what you're sending to the distributor box, right? Typically would be rev
Are
count.
you just making guesses?
No, I'm really not.
Okay.
Would be rev count.
Oh, just because now you know more about cars than anyone else.
No, of course not.
Is it because you know more about working on cars than anyone else?
No, of course not.
Okay, is it more because somebody said that you know how to work on cars better than me?
There might be a correlation, but no. But anyway, suck, squeeze, bang, blow, right?
Wrong channel, brother.
Okay, but there's a wire for your rev count to count your revs. Then there should be a wire for spark because the Dictator manages the spark, right? And then there should be a feedback wire to the
Blow.
no man to the Dictator, right? What I'm not seeing there is a wire for throttle, or at least one of the things that are.
That's a cable throttle.
Yeah, but these motors have, well, the Dictator, doesn't it have
TPS.
TPS?
It might have.
I don't know, I'm guessing.
I
guessing.
knew it.
But effectively what I'm saying is, this is a new loom,
Yes. Plug and
Right.
play unit.
plug and play unit, and there's a wire here that's missing. It has to be for something.
Yeah. You do have a point on that.
And why would it be cut like that? If the actual unit that they bought doesn't have this feature, then you have a loom that doesn't have the wire. I'm so jealous of my genius.
I'm not jealous of your genius.
Don't hate, appreciate. Now all you need, Ron, is a steering wheel. Because we're not putting that nonsense back on. I don't even know where it is. I think we threw it away.
We did throw it away.
We did throw it away.
No,
We threw it away.
Is it there?
No, we threw it away.
The wiring.
Ah, there it is. I see it. Get it.
Where is it? Ugh. Yuck.
We are just doing the Lord's work. Here.
Yes.
Where are you going?
Ugh. Oh, where's the bin?
Yes, that's a bin. Put it in. 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 Yes. Put it in the bin. Yes.
No, actually.
What?
There's a parts bin in it.
There's a parts bin. It's in the bin.
Yeah.
And that's where it shall remain
Exactly.
forever.
There we go.
Yes. Okay, so let's do a walk around of what has been done on the E30
Again.
since we were last here. Yes.
There's a very big thing. Can I show them?
What?
It's pretty simple to see.
What? Bam! Damn it.
Yeah.
It is on. We've got some nice angel eye headlights that have been added on.
Yes.
As grille as well.
And it's just like my car. It has one fog light.
Funny. Look at that.
And the clips are
Missing the other fog light.
inverted.
Yeah.
The clips are inverted that are clipping down this thing because this thing's supposed to be benefit.
Yeah, but that will get sorted.
Yeah.
Work in progress.
Don't mind the indicator light that's inside. Those are getting replaced as well.
So, what else? The bumper, like we showed you in the video, the bumper is now attached. So, well, not attached, it needs to be attached on the back end, but you can see that the color match, it's lined up. So, we're going to drill through there onto the body, and then the beading goes over, so you won't see nothing.
But you can see some of the work when you said you needed to shorten it. That's there.
Yeah, but that then gets covered by the beading.
Yeah.
So where you actually see it when there's no beading, when there is a beading, you won't tell that it's been shortened.
Is there something that goes in here for the fuel, like in here?
I don't know.
Is there? I don't
I've
know.
never owned the E30.
I don't know.
I
Tell
don't
us in the comments.
I don't think there is.
Tell us in the comments. But then that works.
Yeah, it does. Get
Oh
this.
yes, last time we couldn't get the thing. Let's see. Yes.
That's
the latch
all
works.
working. Ooh,
Ooh, really? That's there now.
that sounds nice.
Didn't see that before. We didn't speak about the seats.
We didn't. So the seats that are here, if you had looked behind you, is seats from
1,
3.
5.
So yeah, those are sick. I don't know if there's an E30 that has 135i interior,
I've seen.
but
That's what's going in.
we're busy with it. So if you check inside the vehicle,
Actually, I should be going this side.
yes, you should go that side.
Because you're my lady.
There's a handle on here now. You'll see the last time we were opening the door was metal. What are you laughing at, Phoebe?
What? This car didn't have handles?
No, it didn't. So that's 135i rear seats that are going to be modified. You can see it's a little bit tall there, but for the most part it all fits quite nice. So it's going to be modified to fit neat, and I don't know, that's cool. I'm sorry,
That's
just
pretty cool.
that is just cool.
That's pretty cool.
I would argue that the 135, the coupe, is sort of like,
The new 3.
yeah,
the
like
new-
if the E30 had a baby, that would be it.
Pretty much. Especially the 2 doors.
But what would it be fucking for it to have a baby?
Wait.
An M2, obviously.
Okay.
do you mean?
It's an ask. It's just an ask.
Oh, mirrors have been painted.
Oh, also, never hang stuff from your mirrors. Always hang your mirrors from stuff.
Okay, got that.
Lights we talked about.
The grill is in,
We talked about that.
but nothing really has been done in the front. If I'm being honest.
No, I just want to. You share at the beginning of the video when you said you were a genius and you found out the problem, but you didn't, because it still doesn't start.
Yeah, but we haven't worked on it since.
No, but Clarence found out that it was because the battery's flat, it won't send a signal.
But he said he needs to take it for testing still.
I'm just feeling holy. I'm in front of angel lights.
So, is that all that's been done? Of course, he is fighting now, so he still has to be proven whether he's a genius or not.
Yes.
I say.
Still needs to be proven.
So yeah, hopefully next time we come back to the E30,
It'll actually be.
we can actually hear some E30 noises. So until then, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this update. Does this have a playlist? It should have a playlist. It does have a playlist.
It doesn't have a playlist.
It does.
It's under garage.
No,
Does it
it's
have
got a playlist. So if you want to see more of the E30, I think there's like 2 other videos on it for now. Playlist, check it out.
Oh yeah, I saw someone asking about the E30.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is the
Now you know where's the E30.
yes.
There is the E30.
Are you sure you're not the person who's asking?
Well, this is the E30. What am I sure about?
I was wearing his shirt the last time. I'm never going to do that again.
No, you weren't wearing this shirt.
You
I was
were
wearing
not
his
wearing
shirt.
this one. You were wearing
I said
the
I was
other
wearing
one.
his shirt.
What's this one say?
This one.
It's also Stance Essentials. But this one is vibes are stance essentials.
Yeah.
So in addition to
It
those,
says, turn around.
You said sh.
It says,
You said sh.
it says, static.
Yeah?
Vibes.
Static. With the air inside.
No, but the air is sitting there. Air looks like it's, so effectively what it's saying, if I'm reading this like they taught me how to read it, says air, static, vibes, stance essentials.
Let me do you a
Let me
favor.
see what it
Okay,
says.
okay.
It says,
Now you can read it proper.
static.
Jose, you are annoying.
do you understand what I deal with?
Static. Static, not static.
It is, because you have to shout, because now it's in bold, it's in
And people don't understand the concept, right? But it's okay.
It's static with the air inside.
With the air inside.
It's static and it's bagged.
Thank you.
And it's together.
And it's together.
And it's essential.
Because it's Say no more.